Welcome back to a new game. Today we're playing car repair simulator. Yeah, doing it off the top of my head. Totally did not just join it and think, oh hey, I don't know what this game is. I know how to play this game. Really cool. I do not know how to play. So yeah. Anyways, so we got this car here that just hit me and I didn't die. So we're just gonna go in here, find some random scrap. We got a car battery, things, gasoline can. Let me know if you want to see more of this game, and then, I'll play more. Now, I did see Saniac play it, where I got it from. And now we can hire a mechanic. My dude. So we purchased a car. I wish I could steal it. So yeah. The car is lip. Okay. As you can see, I'm playing on my phone like I usually do. If the creators see this game, please, if that is a bug, please fix it. Because if you watch one of my other videos, and you would know, I got attention of a creator of the last game I played on Roblox. Marble something Tycoon Simulator or whatever. You have to go see it. Pretty awesome video. Nope. Can I just take all this random junk and just get in the car and just drive down here, you know what I mean? No, I can't. Peaches, 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 peaches. I shouldn't be singing that right now because I don't even have 1,000 subs yet, or 4,000 watch hours, or even 10 million short views. I just want to earn money so I can buy my own stuff. I think I'll say the S word in front of y'all. Yeah, I love what I do. I know. I meant, see. I don't care how long it takes, as long as if you feel the way I feel. I got the smile on my face. Well, I think it's a rare engine. It looks super rare. I don't really know. No. We're just gonna add it. Hopefully something good comes out of this. I'm tired, but I think I'm gonna go sleep after this, you know? Haha! The car took me with it. Don't put me down. 900,000. If you guys want to see like more, then like let me know. I'll grab 2 engines. I've reached level 200,000. You know, I'm carrying 2 engines. I think the next time I get a car, I'm gonna buy this. So where I can hold 8 junk. Then I can literally. Yeah, if you hear audio glitching again, like the last time I played a game, or whenever ago, it just happens. You know, I'm playing on my phone, old phone lags. I want to save up for my own PC, pay my mom back for a lot of money I spent. You know, if you watch my Pet Simulator X videos, then you would know how much money I spend. Too much. That's what I like to announce. I'm going free to play. I mean, I cannot keep up with all that money that I spend. Like, the amount of money I spent on that game is insane. Like, not good. It's not a good thing. I need to hire another worker. No, I really enjoy these type of like tycoon-like games. They actually are pretty fun. I don't have enough for another NPC. You know what? If you know how to braid... Ooh! Rare. Looks rare. Another engine. You have like things, hit that baller button. The baller button. Okay. Add 4 junk. Why don't we just go to an area, get junk, add it to the cars, and don't even care? Like, we're giving the cars junk to drive with. What if they crash? I don't care. Yeah. I really care. What if I just... God, I'm just gonna grab random things. Upgrade. I like how when you move, the thing just shakes. Oh, vehicle. Oh, it looks nice too. Oh, it's a pretty cool vehicle, totally new. Business is slow lately. Let's give you 2 engines, a tire, and a battery apparently. That engine looks more cleaner. I'm just gonna snoop up all of it. Level 3. I guess Seniac just bought this. I haven't had a single robot on this account. Alright. Let's upgrade their lift. Now we upgraded their lift. Add the junk. Let's grab some more. Now, if you think this game is fun, then I'll probably put the, if I can get the link, I'll put it in the I'll put it in the comment section if it works this time. It's never working for some reason. Feed the car junk. It's more modern. I suck at saying words, and it's I don't know why. Like, this truck is looking real nice. New car, Scion pickup. I'm gonna upgrade this, and look how that goes from looking weird to cool. It's made out of stone. It would go from freaking metal to stone. Add random things to the car to kill it, or it would destroy it. When I start earning money off these videos, I think I might start going more like stop cursing, you know. Oh, vehicle. I'm gonna ache my head. Hold on. It's cold in here. Oh, guys. Oh, come back. Don't worry. It's cold in here. If you see the internet just cut out, it's just because of the internet isn't the best. My life sucks. These nuts. Got him. Oh, gotta go get more. How much stuff are we running? Like 8? I like this engine. I'm coming. God. If I see a single Ayo in the chat since I said that, or in like the freaking thing, I'm going to be a mood. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. A mood. Let's go! Hey! Rush town. And by the way, I will be checking my viewer age. the age of my viewers. The random things I take a picture of. She said she was 12. You work on that car with the red tire. And I'll hire somebody for the car. There's no point of hiring these things. And not hire an NPC. It's not spawning in. What? Yeah, this game. Okay, there he is. I'm gonna say this game's buggy. Alright, so we upgraded the lift. On the parts. I'm lagging. Alright, there we go, we're good. If we ever see it's not picking up parts, this means I'm lagging. I will say, this is going pretty well. Okay. Alright, so yeah, been going well. Been going pretty well. Like this again. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!